Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how you can fix the struck issues in Fallout 3. I already tried crouch, jumping, turnaround, all of the circus things, but it still didn't work. But then after a few minutes of struggle, I figured out a way to unstuck from that place. So let me show you how. All you have to do is press the tilt key to get the command console and execute the following command. Once you got into the control panel, type TCL and then execute that command. It will disable the gravity of your game, and you will also able to move through objects. Once you got to the safe place, go to the command console and then execute the TCL command to enable the gravity again, and you will be also able to stand on the ground. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.